Using the tissue culture method, 1 million pieces of Ganoderma can be reproduced from a single mother plant. During the growing stages of Ganoderma, the color changes from white, yellow, to red. The red color shows that the Ganoderma has matured. Only the best quality Ganoderma are harvested for production of DXN products. During the production stage, DXN utilizes a technique to preserve the active elements of Ganoderma. All these DXN products have been enhanced with the addition of Ganoderma, providing the nutrients your body needs for a healthy life.